I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get uBlock Origin. It's a kind of like something that can block anything. For example, I can block this Google tab, all that stuff. So right now, let's first put uBlock Origin extension like this, and then you can use this link or this link. Now let's press this link, and then let's press add to Chrome. After you press add to extension, you get this right here. If you want to turn on sync and have it on everything, you can. So then we're going to press this, and right now it has no access. So because this website, it doesn't need to change anything, and in Google it doesn't need to change anything too. But if you want to change something in Google, you can on it and block stuff. So we're gonna go to a random website. Just put website.org cause and then let's just see. Well, let's just say I don't like this register here, so I'm going to right click and press block element. And by the way, this works on almost any website except Google and installing stuff. So for now it also works, so it doesn't work on Google or the uBlock Origin actual place. It doesn't work here and it doesn't work here. So if you want it to work, you can just press this and this. But right now it has full access to this place. So let's get to the point. Let's just say there's a registry right here, and you don't like it. Let's block element. And if you can see here, it says this. If you want to pick and just pick anything, so I'm gonna pick just this, and I'm gonna press create. After I press create, the link still works. So we're gonna go back and let's block the element again and again. And this isn't making it go away, but if you want it to go away, so just say you want to go to YouTube and you're in the Fortnite player channel, and now we'll just block all of these elements. Well, I don't want to block these elements, so I'm gonna press pick, and now I can block anything I really want, like this. It will block everything that has the same code. Oh, let's just say I actually want to change it, and I want to block this right here, and I could go and press this and press create. And now if you look, there's still that bit there, but if you also block this, and if you go to the thing and just delete, you can see that it's completely gone. There's nothing there, and I'm clicking everywhere and it isn't here. And that's really it. And let's just say you want to block something that cannot be blocked, like Google. You can go here. So this is how it's gonna be. So let's remove it from Chrome. Let's really quick get it back. So let's just say, so this is how it starts with. No access needed. These extensions don't need to see or change information on the site. And that's Google. Let's just say you need to change stuff on the site. You press this and on this. And if you want to, like, so let's just say I block element and block element and block element. It just doesn't work. So you can see it doesn't work. Block element. And yeah, it just doesn't work in Google. So let's go to manage extensions and let's go to details. And so even if you put on all sites, it won't work on Google. And let's go to a website like anything.org. Oh, this is weird. Well, let's just say block element in frame or block like element. And this only happens in few websites. Like if you go to website.org, it's not gonna be like, it's not a option here. But if you go here, there's an option right here. So like if you want to block element in frame, it'll just block the frame itself. And if you want to like block the element itself, oh never mind, there's no the frame literally got destroyed. So now let's go back to website.org and let's block. Well, this isn't really convenient because you have to like block everything and anything. And now the whole registrate button is gone. Now let's create, and now the everything's gone. Now let's create. Let's create now. The whole website's gone. Create. So if you just want to destroy everything, you just do this and then block element. I guess this is like just used for some things that like you don't want or you don't need. For example, let's go to Discord and you might be like, oh, I don't want to touch this button anytime or this button. You could just block the element. So it's most of the time used for things that you don't want to press accidentally, like this. You don't want to press it. Ooh, the link isn't working. Or you don't want to press download. Or you don't want to press this. Or you don't want to press this. I guess you get the idea. Now, let's just like look at the capability of how useful this thing can be. So let's go to YouTube and let's go to